Comfort inside your home isn't just about temperature, it's also about airflow, freshness, and how balanced each room feels throughout the day. For homeowners in Pell City, double-hung windows play an important role in creating a comfortable living environment. Their classic design isn't just visually appealing, it's also highly functional when it comes to managing airflow and supporting everyday comfort. How double-hung windows improve airflow? One of the standout features of double-hung windows is their ability to open from both the top and bottom. This dual operation design allows homeowners to control airflow more precisely than with many other window styles. Opening the bottom sash lets fresh air flow into the home, while opening the top sash allows warm, stale air to escape. This natural movement of air creates a gentle circulation that helps rooms feel cooler and fresher. For Pell City homes, this flexibility makes double-hung windows especially effective at promoting consistent airflow. Supporting natural ventilation throughout the home. Good ventilation helps reduce stuffiness and keeps indoor spaces feeling more comfortable. Double-hung windows support natural ventilation by allowing homeowners to adjust airflow based on the time of day, weather conditions, or personal comfort preferences. In Pell City homes, where maintaining a pleasant indoor environment is a priority, double-hung windows make it easier to bring in fresh air without relying solely on mechanical systems. This natural approach to ventilation enhances daily comfort and supports a healthier indoor atmosphere. Improving comfort room by room. Different rooms often have different airflow needs. Bedrooms may benefit from gentle circulation at night, while living rooms and kitchens often need stronger ventilation during the day. Double-hung windows offer the flexibility to meet these varying needs. Homeowners in Pell City appreciate being able to fine-tune airflow in each room. Whether opening the top sash slightly for subtle circulation or adjusting both sashes for maximum airflow, double-hung windows adapt easily to daily routines. Reducing indoor stagnation. Poor airflow can cause certain areas of a home to feel stagnant or uncomfortable. Double-hung windows help prevent this by encouraging continuous air movement, especially when placed on opposite sides of the home. In Pell City homes, strategic use of double-hung windows can create cross-ventilation that keeps indoor air moving. This circulation helps maintain a more even temperature and reduces that closed-in feeling that can develop in rooms with limited airflow. Enhancing comfort without complicating design. Double-hung windows are known for their clean, traditional appearance, which blends well with a wide range of home styles. Their design enhances comfort without introducing visual clutter or complex operation. For Pell City homeowners, this balance of form and function is ideal. Double-hung windows provide airflow benefits while maintaining a timeless look that complements both classic and modern interiors. Supporting everyday living and convenience. Comfort is closely tied to convenience. Double-hung windows are easy to operate and adjust, making them suitable for daily use. Their smooth functionality encourages homeowners to use natural ventilation more often rather than keeping windows closed. In Pell City homes, this ease of use contributes to a more enjoyable living experience. Fresh air becomes part of everyday life, not a hassle to manage. Creating a more balanced indoor environment. Airflow affects how comfortable a home feels overall. When air moves freely, temperatures feel more consistent, and rooms are less likely to feel stuffy or uneven. Double-hung windows help create this balance by offering consistent airflow options throughout the home. Pell City homeowners often notice that spaces feel more comfortable and breathable once they incorporate this window style. A reliable choice for long-term comfort. Double-hung windows have remained popular for a reason. Their ability to enhance airflow while maintaining comfort makes them a practical and lasting choice. For homeowners in Pell City, double-hung windows play a meaningful role in improving how homes feel day to day. By supporting natural ventilation, reducing stagnation, and offering flexible airflow control, they contribute to a more comfortable, welcoming living environment year after year.